Hello and welcome to Kuma's Kitchen. Now before we get started and get into today's recipe, I want a quick shout out and a hello to Sheila Randall. Hello Sheila, your son Philip tells me that you watch every show and you really enjoy watching Kuma's Kitchen, and that makes me happy. So thank you very much and keep enjoying. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe too. Today what we're doing is it's Hanami. It's cherry blossom viewing time here in Japan. And actually the cherry blossoms are absolutely perfect in the park outside just down the road here. And so tonight we're going to have our Hanami. You kind of pick a day when it's good weather. You want to wait till it gets dark and then you go out underneath the cherry trees. Some people do it in the middle of the day too. You can do it in daytime too, but we kind of like to go in the evening and enjoy then. And the park's kind of quiet. There's not so many people. COVID is still around, so we're trying to go somewhere where there's less people and we can enjoy eating in peace and quiet. And just sit back and enjoy the beautiful blossoms because they are absolutely perfect. So what you want something that's easy to eat, either a bento box, like a lunch box, or some kind of hand food. In this case, what I've made is Mediterranean tuna salad wraps because they can just be wrapped them up in a nice little napkin here, so you just hold them and eat them just like that. And there's you can basically eat just about anything and have something to drink and all when you go out. But one thing you have to be careful, if you're coming to Japan, you're going to do Hanami. Some people barbecue. Some Japanese barbecue, and my wife gets really annoyed with that. She says, that is disrespecting the cherry trees. And it's true. They're very delicate flowers, and the smoke is not good for them. So we respect the cherry trees. We go out, we eat something simple like this, and basically we're there to enjoy the cherry blossoms. So I hope you get a chance to enjoy some cherry blossoms. Now, let's go in the kitchen and make these wraps, because boy, are they quick and easy to make. All right, now you're going to see just how easy it is to make these Mediterranean wraps, and not that many ingredients we really need either. So what we got across the front here is I've got half a teaspoon of pepper. I've got 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Now, it's not the Dijonnaise, this is the Dijon, the sharper one. I've got 1 tablespoon of capers. I've got here a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of sliced olives. Then here I've taken 1 green onion, 1 stalk of green onion, and finely chopped it up. And here is 1 red bell pepper, finely chopped. Then across the back, the tuna. Now, important with the tuna is that it needs to drain well. These are 2 cans, 2 5-ounce or 140 gram cans of tuna. And I put them in this colander before I start preparing all the other ingredients so they can drain well. So we don't end up with a watery mixture. So that's well drained. And then over here I've got 4 tortilla shells. They're kind of small. Might actually need more. Usually the 10-inch shells are nice. These are little 8 inches, all I can get right now. Probably because of all the things happening in the world, and less things can be shipped. All right, so what I want to do, let's just get that off to one side over here. Grab a bowl and basically just mix everything together. It is so easy. So let's throw the tuna in the bowl. All right, break that up a little bit. I'm going to add in that mayonnaise. All right. The olives, the capers, the green onions. Come on, everybody. Out you go, out you go. And we got the Dijon mustard here. Get that in there. All right. The pepper and the red bell pepper. All right, all I want to do now is just mix it. Just get everything combined. I do a little lift and turn, get everything mixed in there till it all comes together. Oh, look at that color in there. Isn't that beautiful? All right, that looks like it's all come together nicely. Basically, you're going to get that mayonnaise holding it all together now. So now what I do, I spread these guys out because we want to just be able to evenly fill them with our salad. All right. Yeah, definitely going to need a couple more. I was thinking as I was putting them out, I thought, that's kind of small. I'm going to grab 2 more wraps. All right. So when we're using these smaller 8-inch ones, we can get 6. All right, that looks about even. What I'm going to do now is just kind of get a little fold up at the bottom here, and then roll, and no break, roll, and bring them together like that. Now, what I've got here, especially since we're going to be going out to a park, public area and all that, and yeah, maybe our hands won't be perfectly clean. I like to wrap these up in something like a napkin or so, or in this case, I've got these little paper towel pieces here. And you just kind of take that, and again, give it a little wrap here, a little wrap like that, and look at that. That's a beautiful little wrap. Let's wrap the rest of them. All right. Look at that. 6 beautiful little packages ready to go out and enjoy Hanami tonight. Now, one of the things we do in Japan is we wrap things in what's called a furoshiki. Furoshiki is actually just a cloth. This one's a nice one with flowers on it, kind of fitting for tonight. So it's a cloth about that big, and you just take. We do this with our lunches. Even a bento box, you put it inside the furoshiki and then wrap it up. Makes a nice little package. In this case, it's going to be kind of nice to get these guys all wrapped up together in one place and keep it all together until we get to our Hanami place, which is maybe about another hour or so. I'm going to wait until it gets, get in there. It gets a little darker. All right, so then just kind of take that, and you bring this over here and over here, and ta-da! There. That is ready to go out and enjoy Hanami tonight. All right, if you enjoyed this recipe, stick around. There's a whole lot more original Kevin Riley Kuma's Kitchen recipes right here on the YouTube channel. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss one because they come out every Monday. Also, if you're not yet a patron of Kuma's Kitchen, well, consider becoming one, because for as little as $3 a month, you get to support the creation of these videos and putting them up here on YouTube and all. And also, you get all the cool stuff that the patrons are getting right now in the Patreon feed. Now, go make these and enjoy your own Hanami. And make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.